How's it going, everyone? Another penny stock that a lot of people want me to talk about is DGLY, and this one kind of resembles GNLN. I just did a video on that one, and I love this one, but this one did not do a reverse split, obviously. So obviously this one had a bigger gap. So DGLY has a little different scenario here. We had this drop down due to the reverse split. They did a 1 for 20, which is really low, honestly. That I was thinking like 1 for 20, that's pretty low. And so now right back down at 4 cents. So the good things about this one is, yeah, it has really nice volume. All right, no doubt about it. Really nice volume after a 1 for 20. You could easily see this popping pretty big to that EMA 5, which is a 400% return. That is absolutely nuts. So if it goes to this EMA 5, you can make a 430% return, and that is sitting at 21 cents. All right, is it going to do that? It's hard to say. I think there's going to need a whole lot more EMA5 TD. Next thing is the K value is at 8.18. This bottom line, I would like to see about a 3. So looking at the past, this thing has had relatively decent volume before. It's not like it was a dead stock. It's based in the United States, communications and networking. Just be very mindful. I tell everyone you never buy the first dip. All right. If you buy the first dip, this is what happens. It goes down, little dead cat bounce just to keep going down. All right. Just always remember, big dip down. A lot of people buy it all intraday here and they get stuck in this thing. Just because the stock goes down 90% doesn't mean you should buy it. All right. Especially penny stocks. And this had a reverse split. Okay. So, so we're gonna look into just the technicals here. Next thing I notice is we're not at this lower Keltner channel, so that does not mean it's an A plus setup. It won't get there because it's a negative number. What happens is this has to fluctuate to where price should be. Same with the EMAs. These EMAs are not where they belong. As you can see when you had this down move here, these EMAs are going to go to where price should be. Every day that goes by, this EMA goes down. I like to wait for the extreme time distance. All right. If you wait for the extreme time distance, you have a whole lot better chance of making money than not. All right. Obviously, nothing is for sure. But the next thing I like to look for is there massive volume. I want to look for the penny stocks that have the most volume out of everyone. 100 million volume is not too bad. 1 million volume is just all right. But if you see 10 million, it's a little better. 20 million better. But if you see, you might as well just stick with the pennies that have a massive amount of volume, lots of EMA 5 TD and all that. That way you can get out of these and be like, you know what? I can average in a little bit. I know price is going to go back up to this EMA 5, and the longer I wait the better. So you may ask, well, what's a long time period? Well, if you looked at my last video I did, I was alerting GNON as a potential buy opportunity. You see this scenario, obviously bigger the gap, longer it's going to take to come up to that. All right. But as you can see, I like to wait, around that, honestly, around that over 10-day mark. And if you look at DGLY, we just started to have that down move. I know it sucks because you're like, you don't think it can go even lower. I mean, this could easily go down in that 2 cent mark, and that's a big 50% haircut from that. All right. So I personally, yeah, I could totally miss this move. I'm going to give this some time, maybe 7 more days. All right, give it, another week to see where it's at. Maybe it consolidates, gives us that, nice pattern of, hey, buyers are coming in. Because all I see right now is sell volume, right? I just see massive sell volume. I haven't seen any really buyers picking in. A lot of times when you get a reverse split, you can get a post-market pump. You can get a lot of times you get this massive move up, and with these kind of volume stocks, absolutely you can get that. So this is one of those things, it's a little riskier. It's past, sub 10-cent penny stocks are more riskier. They did just do a 1 for 20. They're going to do another one. They need to do one way higher than that. But I'm just going to kind of wait on this one. Obviously, I'm not a big fan of penny stocks until I see like a really good setup. I love GNLN. That is a really good setup. The volume is 500 million or 500, yeah, million. Almost a billion volume with way more time distance, with hitting this lower Keltner channel with the EMA 5 under it, which is really extremely oversold. All right. So it's not to say DGLY can't make a big move. I'm just going to give it about 7 more days. See if it gets away from this EMA 5 about 10 days, and we'll go from there. So I just want to do some more recap on these pennies. Pennies are a lot more trickier. They're a lot more harder to do. Just keep that in mind. Always have a stop loss. If you just want to risk 20%, make sure you don't risk more than that. And then, you risk 20% to make a potential 100% gain. One of these, some of these can do that. This has a potential to hit that 5 in a heartbeat and make a 400% move. All right. If you guys want to join the Discord and see kind of my chat, be a part of the community, see my education videos, my day trading education, my live streams, all of that bundled up into one, make sure you click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. Super easy to do, but basically if you read how to subscribe, it is best to do it on the computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer, as they're having trouble with that. Or you can just use your phone's browser. Just don't use the app to subscribe. But it's a very easy service to use. I have everything here organized for you. I upload videos every now and then, like swing trading education, day trading education. All these videos, make sure you watch one a day so you don't get overwhelmed. Be a part of the community. I have my day trade alerts. If you have the gold membership, you get access to all of it. My day trading service is always my best. It's $12 a month. You get access to my day trading service where I alert, selling credit spreads, and you can have a 90% win ratio. Put these in a higher quality stocks. My swing trade alerts, you'll see right here. You can get a little peek what I'm doing. But I hope you guys like this video. This is DGLY, another high requested video from Discord, from YouTube, Discord, and all that are into that. It was penny hype momentum plays. But we'll go from there, see what we do. I'm going to give this one some time because I want to see it get more K value. I want to see more EMA 5 TD and maybe see like a consolidation type pattern. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, share it out to your friends. Let me know in the YouTube comments what you think about DGLY. They just had a reverse split, so maybe they can have a massive move, but always respect your stop loss and go from there. Peace out.